Ever wondered how criminals turn dirty money into clean cash that looks legal? It's called money laundering, a billion-dollar crime that funds drug cartels, terrorism, and corruption worldwide. But did you know that ordinary people and businesses can get caught up in it without realizing it? Money laundering is the process of disguising illegally obtained money to make it appear legitimate. Criminals use this to hide money earned from fraud, drugs, human trafficking, or corruption. Example: a drug cartel makes millions in cash, but can't deposit it into a bank without raising suspicion. Instead, they use fake businesses and complex transactions to make it seem legal. Money laundering isn't just stuffing cash into a bank, it's a sophisticated three-step process. Placement: getting dirty money into the system. Criminals deposit large sums of illicit cash into banks or businesses. Common methods: fake invoices from cash-heavy businesses like bars, casinos, and laundromats. Smurfing: depositing small amounts to avoid detection. Using prepaid debit cards or cryptocurrency. Real case: in 2012, HSBC was fined $1.9 billion for failing to prevent Mexican drug cartels from depositing massive amounts of dirty cash. Layering: hiding the paper trail, moving money through multiple accounts, offshore banks, and shell companies. Common tactics: fake transactions between front companies, buying and reselling real estate, art, or luxury cars. Converting cash into cryptocurrency for anonymous transfers. Real case: in 2020, the FinCEN files leak revealed that major banks unknowingly processed $2 trillion in suspicious transactions linked to money laundering. Integration: making dirty money look clean. Criminals now withdraw and use the money like legitimate earnings. Common signs: large investments in businesses with no real profit, purchasing high-value assets like mansions, yachts, and private jets, donating to charities to create a false paper trail. Real case: billionaire Joe Low used stolen $4.5 billion from Malaysia's 1MDB fund to buy luxury properties, fund Hollywood movies, and party with celebrities, all using laundered money. Money laundering isn't just a problem for criminals, it infiltrates banks, businesses, and even governments. Industries most commonly used for laundering: casinos, a classic method to swap dirty cash for casino chips; real estate, buying properties in cash and selling at inflated prices; cryptocurrency, harder to trace, used in ransomware payments; shell companies, fake companies used to move illegal funds; luxury goods, criminals buy art, jewelry, or cars to store value. Real case: the Panama Papers leak exposed politicians, celebrities, and billionaires using offshore accounts to hide their wealth and avoid taxes. So how do you spot suspicious financial activity that could be money laundering? Watch out for these red flags. Sudden large cash deposits. Businesses that rarely handle cash suddenly depositing huge sums. Frequent international transfers, especially to high-risk countries known for banking secrecy. Multiple transactions just below reporting limits, known as structuring or smurfing. Unusual business activities. A company reports huge profits but has no real customers or operations. Luxury purchases without income proof. Buying mansions or supercars in cash with no job history. Real case: authorities caught a major laundering operation when a small cafe reported $10 million in transactions, without selling a single cup of coffee. Governments have strict laws to catch and stop money laundering, but criminals always find new ways to hide money. Key anti-money laundering (AML) regulations. The Bank Secrecy Act (BSA) and FinCEN requires banks to report suspicious transactions. Know your customer (KYC) rules. Banks must verify customers' identities before allowing large transactions. The Patriot Act allows law enforcement to track and freeze suspected money laundering accounts. Global efforts (FATF, Interpol, Europol), international organizations working to stop illegal money flows. Real case: in 2021, the U.S. Justice Department seized $56 million in cryptocurrency linked to dark web money laundering. You don't have to be a criminal to get caught in a money laundering scheme. Scammers try to use innocent people too. Here's how to protect yourself. Never accept money transfers from strangers. Avoid get-rich-quick investment offers. Be cautious when asked to be a money mule to transfer funds. Check company legitimacy before investing in new businesses. Report suspicious financial activities to authorities. Real case: Thousands of people were unknowingly involved in laundering $100 million through fake e-commerce refunds because they didn't verify who they were working for. Money laundering fuels crime, but knowledge is power. Now you know how it works and how to spot it. Stay alert, ask questions, and always report suspicious activity. Have you ever come across suspicious financial activity? Share your experience below so others can learn. Like, share, and subscribe for more financial security and crime awareness videos.